Today we are going to show you a simple way on how to use chopsticks. First, you need to fix the bottom chopstick so that it doesn't move. You can use the thumb to push the chopstick towards the ring finger so that the chopstick is fixed and stable. Try shaking your hand to check this. Secondly, the top chopstick. This is the only chopstick that has to move and pick the food up. Almost like holding a pen, use the thumb, index and middle finger only to hold the top chopstick. As you can see, it's just the top chopstick moving and the two ends of the chopsticks have to meet. It will always be difficult to get used to it, so try practicing them separately and start off by making the bottom chopstick stable. After some practice, you can try picking easy things first. Once you get used to it, you will be able to pick anything up with chopsticks. Oh, one small tip. We realize that most of the people aren't used to the metal chopsticks and they seem to slip easily. So start off with wooden ones until you get used to it, and then try the metal ones. Stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to subscribe and like.